Kia ora, this is Nikki, aka Kiwi Cruisette. I've done a couple of moto camping dinner videos. Today I'm going to do a moto camping breakfast. I am here at Bear Lake in Utah. So the first thing I'm gonna want is some coffee. I need to wake up. This is dirty. My little set of pots. So inside my pot I've got all my utensils and I've got a little frying pan. Let's crank that up. Ta-da! Whoa, the perfect amount of water. I'm getting really good at this. Now we've got the coffee made. What's on the menu for breakfast? I'm glad you asked. I have oil. It's not for breakfast, but how cute is this? It's so small. We've got the frying pan and sausages. I made sure I got the 100% pork. There's like hot dog sausages out there that are like miscellaneous meat. I've got eggs. Now, I would usually just get a 6-pack of eggs. They didn't have that, so I have 12, which is too much for me. Obviously, these are really tricky for me to carry without breaking. These could be a real mess. So once I've cooked up enough for my breakfast today, I'm gonna boil the rest of them and then put those into a bag and take them with me. Obviously, boiled eggs doesn't present the same amount of a mess if I sit on it or smash them up. Isn't this the cutest little pan? A little bit of oil. Whoa! These are sizzling. By the way, these are pre-cooked, so it's not gonna take long. Maybe it's too hot. Maybe it's too hot. Now, I wish I had tongs, but I don't. So I'll use my mini wooden spoon. Usually just eat out of the pan, but today I have to cook eggs in this pan, so I'm gonna just use the lid. One. Oh, put the shell in there. No! Look at it. What a beautiful eggs. This is way too hot. Have I learnt nothing? Those little sachets you get from McDonald's, the pepper. Now we are talking. Do I have a salt one? It's breakfast with Nix.